For the web page that I will be showing you today, we have 5 files we'll be dealing with, 4 HTML and a CSS file. And so we'll start with our first one, the Hello World HTML. This will act as our home page for the website. And in our head section, we have some metadata. Now the purpose of the link and the script tags right here is to link these files together and to enable the bootstrapping function that we'll be using for the website. And in the body, we have a navigation structure here to add tabs that link to these pages. We will have a home tab, a videos tab, and a registration tab. In our rest of our body, we have a script to enable the Facebook button, and we use Bootstrap gridding to separate our information into 2 columns. In the first column, we have our biography, and in the second column, we have our image and our Facebook button. Now, this shows up depending on the size of device that the user will be using. In our registration HTML, again we have that metadata and our navigation structure here. But we also have a validation function for our password in the inputs, and we use bootstrapping forms to create a vertical form for our inputs. This will show on the web page completely vertical. Each of the inputs and input text fields will show in a vertical line. And we have a username, password, first name, last name, email, and phone here. In the videos HTML, again we have that metadata in the navigation structure, and we use a list group to list those 2 videos in our website. And then we just wrap our thank you for registering message and our thank you HTML in a div class container tag. And then we also have our site style CSS to show our sheet style settings. Now, 2 features of bootstrapping that we have not included is a bootstrapping images feature and a bootstrap drop-down feature. So in our images here, for bootstrapping, we can change the shape of an image. And that would enhance the overall look of our web page. Just another feature to have. And another option is a bootstrap drop-down to display the tags, or the tabs, excuse me. Instead of just having them as a forward menu, we can have a drop-down for those. And so if we just switch over to our mobiletest.me website, we can see how this looks like on a iPhone device. We are now on the mobiletest.me page, and I've included the HTML file here for the web page. And you can see right here that it shows up on an iPhone 5. We have a title, the 3 tabs, home, videos, and registration that I just mentioned. We have a title, the biography, an image, and a Facebook button. So if we scroll back up here, we can go to another tab, go to videos, and it'll show those 2 videos I mentioned in the list group. And in registration, we have in vertical form the various input fields. And so if we go ahead and type in this information, and hit submit, it'll give us a thank you for registering message. And we can even go to another device and see what it looks like on another device. And you can see here, it all looks the same. And so this is my HTML web page, and I hope you enjoyed.